Oh man, today is that day. It's that day when I replace a motor mount for a 2010 Altima. Our tools already laid out for this. Ignore that dirty engine right there. We'll get to that a little bit later. But for now, as you can see, this is what we're after right here. And then this one right here, as you can see, the rubber is pretty much gone. But don't worry, we have two brand new parts right here. So let's go ahead and get started with this. I already took off the beauty cover right there. Let's come up here real quick. I believe we're gonna take this bolt off first because it seems like it's the hardest to do. Like I need the open end wrench for that, and then these will have to come off so we can get to that. Alright guys, so after I took off the first mount underneath the beauty cover right here, I went ahead and took this bolt off right here because it looks like it's hardest to get to. The engine went down a little bit, so I jacked it up just a little bit more. This is the hardest bolt to get to in my opinion right here. I'm just using a deep 8mm socket right here, and then I'm just breaking it off just like that. There. So, right now, just getting it back so y'all can have that right there. At the same time. There you go. You can slide this off as well. There's just there's a little clip on the back of this, and you can just slide it up. There it goes, just like that. See that? There it goes. Look at that. It's coming right out for you. Okay, so now that we've moved that coolant reservoir out of the way, which there's nothing in there, so that's good to see. All right, we're gonna go ahead and try to slide the bottom mount out. So let's get to some wiggling action. All right, be careful with these lines because you don't want to do no braking action, you know. Okay, oh, there you go. Woo. Woohoo! Woohoo! Okay. There you go, there you go. Okay. Ha ha ha. Look at that. Look at that right there. Oh, you can't see it. There it is. Look at that. Yes, sir. Alright. Alright. So we got that one. Got the new one. And there's the old one right there. So, and there's the old top mount part right there. Here's the new one right here. So like I was saying, I just took the little bolt off that holds this dry, empty container right here, right there, and then you just slide it in there. So let's go ahead and start putting the new pieces back in there. Ow. Okay. Uh-oh. Don't touch that. Okay, I already forgot how I did that. Huh. There you go. Okay, don't be afraid to do some wiggling. There you go, perfect. I already forgot where it goes. I think it goes like this. Or actually, no. Yeah, it has to go like this. It's not gonna. Okay, yeah. Squeeze it in here. Good thing everything is flexible in here. There you go, right there, just like that. Sorry if my camera angles were trash or I wasn't talking that much. A lot of background noise because I don't really have the professional mic that goes with this camera. If you guys remember, I was talking about that. Anyway, first things first, pop off that little beauty cover right there. It's going to be right on top of this engine. This is the 2.5 4-cylinder. But then next, I loosened these bolts up right here. Then I took these off right here, and then I just you're really supposed to kind of take all this. You're supposed to go through the whole process of taking off the wiper strap and stuff, just like you know, just like you were doing some other work that's deeper down in the engine. But I didn't do that. I just went ahead and stuck a pry bar underneath this after I took these two off right here, and then I just got a socket that fit right in there, and then shot that one up out of there. And just kind of pry it up some more so you can get that long bolt up out of there. And then you unloosen this right here. Then you actually take this off. Make sure your jacket's up underneath your engine, though. I gotta secure that. But anyway, after you take this off right here, now you're gonna want to go ahead and loosen these up. These three, there's three that hold this in. There's one right there, one there, and one there. Obviously, as you can see, when you have the part with you, this is actually probably supposed to be over a little bit. There we go, right there, just like that. Anyway, then there's a clip back here. If you're wondering how to get to this bolt, there's a clip back here behind this little plastic container right here for the power steering, and then you can just take that off and it slides up like that. I got to secure that again. I got to secure both of these. But then that's how I got to that bolt right there, and then I took that off. It's just falling apart. You can see it's down there, just falling apart. Just look at that. Anyway, but yeah, this is pretty tricky to get out. So I just moved this and this out of the way, and then I just kind of twisted it around and then got it up. I just pushed this to the side right here. Don't put too much pressure on that because that's obviously something that you're gonna have to, you know, this is for your climate control and all that stuff. So you don't want to damage that. Anyway, just wiggle it up out of it this way like that. You can see you got a lot of room once you take this off, and then boom, you're good to go from there. Slide the other one back in there, and then put this one down first, obviously, and then this is next, and then this is next. Or I guess as long as this one goes in first, obviously, because you don't have a lot of working room right here. But that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. The videos are going to stay coming, but you already know, you know, I'm trying to get better at these, you know, as little as I go. But Toss dedicated, you already know. So forever uploading on this channel, and that's it.